mlungu mfethu ayile amlungu ungichaza kakhulu.
Ukuchaza kakhulu.
Uthi lo yamlungu mfethu ngithe mangifona.
Yeah.
Wakhuluma lo mlungu wathi the number you have dialed is not available.
Okay?
Please try again later.
Please try again later.
Mabunda mfowethu, abantu abaningi mabunda mfowethu.
Yeah.
Abaqhubeki bafone ngendaba ukuthi abazwanga ukuthi please try again later.
Hayi man.
Ithini eSouth Africa? Kunabantu mfethu abaqela izinto kuSimakade.
Uthi
kodwa uSimakade wangavumi ngoba isikhathi besingasiso. Uthi usenoqela izinto mfethu that not now kodwa try again later. Kunomuntu mfethu bekaqela umshado kodwa wenzeke. Kunomuntu mfethu bekafuna umsebenzi kodwa wenze ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ngizothi namhlanje please try again later. Ungademotivate wayilokuthi is not available kodwa encourage wayilokuthi mfethu try again later.
Yenqeke yami ungikhumbuza indaba kaElijah. Lithi iBhayibheli uElijah lethama athandazela imvula.
Yeah.
Uthe makathumela isisebenzi sakhe athambo checka ukuthi akunamafu na. Uthi lo mfoma kabuya akunanex. uElijah wa understand umessage uthi it's not available now. Try again later. Lithi iBhayibheli yathandaza futhi incebo. Yathi hamba uchecka futhi na. Ngoba wa understand ukuthi itheni answer try again later. Yabuyela incebo yayothandaza kodwa. Lithi iBhayibheli mayisebuya ko7 yabona ifu elincane. Why wa understand ukuthi try again later. It doesn't mean if it's not available at the moment it is not available because kukhona umlungu othi try again later. Kube nomunye athi the number you have dialed does not exist. But to understand the law othi try again later kusho ya exist the number. So keep on praying. The car that you need, keep on praying for it. The house that you need, keep on praying for it. The problem is one, you give up too early.
Abuna mfowethu uthi wena unathuwa belungu
abathunge
kunalo uthi mawufona the number you've dialed is not available. Please attack later. Bese bakhona lo mlungu lo the number you've dialed exist. Kungcono lo uthi try again later. Kunolo uthi it does not exist. Keep on praying.
Keep on praying mntasenekhaya. Keep on praying. Madoda nyakazisa umuntu.